Okay, we'll make this real simple, real quick. Okay, how to know if you have a bad starter. Okay, if you jump in your vehicle and hit the key, and the key goes click, 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 and it doesn't do anything, more than likely your starter is the issue. Your starter is old and hung up in there, and it's no longer good. You got to replace it. Uh, but that could also be an indication to a bad battery. Now, if you're sitting there saying that you know that you have a good battery, then more likely it's your starter. Okay, but that is a starter issue. Now, if you sit there and hit it, and then all of a sudden you hit it again, and the car starts up, that's more likely a starter issue. I've seen it a million times. Okay, so there you go. And if you want to know how to change a starter and everything, go to YouTube, look that up. I'm just giving the basics of what your issue could be. Okay?